smells nice enough. Smell it. Today we are making Malawah, which is my favorite breakfast. I've been having it since I was little, and I'll show you how to make it in a very simple, it's the most simplest Somali dish. And let's get started. We have flour, salt, sugar. The strawberries are for later, so we'll use the strawberries, and you can also use Nutella.
Mahakurino-sa.
We're making Malawah. Do you want to join me?
Let's do it.
Alright, so you can use eggs for this, but today we're not using eggs, and you can use milk as well, but we're not using milk. So
what are we using?
We're using these simple ingredients here. We have salt, so a pinch of salt or 2 will do, and brown sugar. Do you want to add the sugar?
The whole thing?
Yep, the whole thing.
How much is in here?
That's about half a cup of brown sugar. Oh, that looks nice. So, okay. I'll get you to mix it, so we'll put more.
Whoa!
Oh!
Trying to get me wet.
Water everywhere.
It's a bit clunky.
Yeah. So we're going to use more water. Sometimes it gets stuck in there. It's good to use an electric mixer.
So how long have you been eating Malawah?
Oh my god. Since I was 2 maybe?
1 cup?
Yeah, just pour a little bit in there. Do you want to give it a try?
Sure.
It's almost ready. So we want to press on it as well. So using the spatula, press down. It just makes it a little bit more crispy on the other side. That looks very good.
So if you're at home doing this for the first time, you're not the only one. Alright, we're gonna go with 2 scoops. 1.
Nice.
It looks good to me.
Yeah. We're going to have it with strawberries and some, what's the name?
Nutella.
Nutella, yes.
How can you forget Nutella? Unbelievable.
Some strawberries and Nutella. Nice, beautiful Malawah.
This is the part we have all been waiting for.
Yum. Grab the top one. So they're very light. See how light they are? They're quite light. They're like crepes.
Nice and fluffy.
Yeah. You can eat it plain without Nutella, but I prefer to put some sort of spread on it. This looks quite the treat.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yum. Oh!
This is good. I'm not even a sweet tooth, but this is good.
But have fun with it and enjoy it and
experiment.
Yum! Malawah. I'm going to eat this one and I'm not going to share it. Malawah, yes.
For breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Malawah, wow.
Malawah, wajalahi.